Oh my god.
Okay. Go, 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 go! Oh, I didn't even get that paw out. Oh my goodness. Okay, there. All right. Okay, go. Go, 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 go. Go, go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. That a girl. Come on. Come on.
Draw me like your French girls, Jack.
All right, come on. Let's put you on the rug. Okay. Here we go. She doesn't want to walk. Is your skirt stuck in your pantyhose? There we go. Okay, there we go. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, so beautiful.
Aw, Sue.
Okay. Come on, precious. Let a girl walk. Walk just a little. Can you see what? Doesn't want to.
This is how ragdoll to have fun on Halloween. They just gave up.
They don't want to.
You know what? It was the bow tie. That's what really. Because we tried to put the bow tie on.
She's not moving at all. Precious. Precious, don't die.
Well, Sue's enjoying it now. Precious. Precious. Precious.
Where's my phone? Alright. I had to do some pictures too. This is too funny.
Oh, oh. Aww.
Oh, precious. So cute. The tails are just a swoosh. Okay. Alright, girls. Oh my goodness, this is too funny.
I wonder how they would react if we gave them a can of food right now.
Oh, they wouldn't move? They don't. Sue keeps getting caught in her skirt and then she just drops.
Sue, do you want some food?
Food?
Do you want some food?
Oh my goodness, get up.
Do you want some food? Yeah?
Are you filming this?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Do you want to celebrate Halloween with some food? Do you want some food?
Here, how about if I pull your skirt? Would that be better? There we go. Okay, try that. Is that better? Okay, do you want some food?
Suey Sue.
Sleep. Precious, want some food? Precious, food? Want some food?
Oh, Sue.